Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. After that, you need to install this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!